In this lesson, let's look at one more way to define clips. And this does make more sense when you really start getting complicated using all this stuff. It's called favorites and rejects. Understand that when you actually mark a clip, and that could be audio or video, as a favorite or a reject, you're doing what Final Cut Pro defines as rating that particular clip. Now, a lot of people make this mistake. They come up and say, I don't need that one anymore, and they press the delete key, and it goes away. You haven't deleted it. The delete key on your keyboard is the shortcut key for marking a clip as rejected. It's still there. You say, well, then why did it go away? Because up here, the default is hide rejected. And if I go ahead and select that and say all clips, it comes right back again. If you really do want to get rid of it, what you can do is come up and right-click your mouse and say move to trash. That's getting rid of it. But how do we unreject it because I still want it? Well, with it selected, click this button right here, and it is now unrejected. Look at one more thing, though. When I reject it, you get that line going across the top, that red line right there. If I unreject, that goes away. So there's little visual cues up there telling you what is going on. And what's a favorite? Well, it's kind of a generic thing. You can only have so many favorites before they get lost in the minutia. But basically, it is a way to say, this is one of my favorite clips. I use them temporarily, but there is a way, I'm going to show you a trick, to make them more than just a favorite. Let's say we want that one as a favorite, so we click the button right here. So you get that green line going across the top. That means it's a favorite. Now here's something I haven't showed you yet. If you're in list view and you come up to one of these clips and you see that little triangle right there, if you pull that down, you will see a list of your keywords, and there's a favorite. You can rename the favorite to something else if you want to, but there's a trick to it in a sense. You might think, oh, select it and double click on the word favorite and it will open it in editing mode, and that's not how it works. You got to click to the left of the first letter in favorite, and that usually will do it just like that, and we could call this something else. Again, that is searchable text if you want to use it. If you don't want it anymore, turn it off just by clicking here. Now we just have the keywords. But favorites to me are limited if you are just using them as favorites. I turn favorites on and off as I'm working. Having the ability, though, to change the name makes them a little bit more valuable. So don't forget, you can reject, you can delete, and you can add favorites.